this. It's flaxseed gel o'clock. As someone who lets out her puff quarterly, flaxseed gel is the best bet. It makes takedown and detangling process super easy for me, and this is how I retain length. Check out a proper tutorial on my DIY playlist. This is me in my protective style, and this is me after takedown. My strands are currently weighed down by products, especially the butters, owing to a consistent moisture routine. Here I am detangling the last section of my hair with flaxseed gel. It was a slimy, messy, patience-testing and enjoyable process. The most challenging thing was handling my hair and the camera at the same time. It was pretty tough and my arms were hurting. Who is in the garden? A little fine girl. Can I come and see her? No, 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 no. If you want to see her, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I did get a fair amount of shedding, but in all, I'm really grateful for how much I've been able to retain. It's not easy 9 years. If you're currently clueless about hair care, I'll urge you to please don't give up on your hair. Focus on the things that works and keep tracks of your progress. Love you.